Fleming's left-hand rule and right-hand rule are widely used rules in electromagnetism. Fleming's left-hand rule. This rule is applied to find the direction of the force on a current-carrying conductor which is inside the magnetic field. Thumb, index finger and the middle finger are kept perpendicular to each other. This diagram shows the physical quantities. Index finger is directed towards the field, middle finger gives the direction of the current, and the thumb gives the direction of the force. Although the left-hand rule is very useful, it's very hard to keep three fingers perpendicular to each other and turn the hand in the directions of physical quantities. But we can use left palm very easily to get the same effect. Left palm rule. This is an alternative for left hand rule. We extend the left palm so that the thumb is perpendicular to the palm. The fingers shows the field, current comes out of the palm and thumb shows the force. Comparison. Left hand rule is given in this diagram and the left palm rule also is given. By looking at the direction of the field and the current, we can show the force is in the same direction. So these two rules gives the same effect. Therefore, left palm rule can be used as a practical rule which can be very easily handled. But we have to memorize the left hand rule. Because keeping the fingers perpendicular and turning the hand is difficult, we can use the left palm rule for practical purposes. Now Fleming's right hand rule. This rule is applied to find the direction of the current when a conductor moves in a magnetic field. The physical quantities are same, but we have to use the right hand and the direction of the current is given in this rule. Now we can use the right palm to get the same effect. As in the earlier case, fingers gives the field, current comes out of the palm and the force is in the direction of the thumb. Now comparing these two figures or diagrams, we can see both gives the same result. Again, right palm rule will be convenient to use than the right hand rule. Thanking you. I am Mohan Perra from Study Guide.